Let's discuss about YouTube Shorts for today. So open your YouTube and click on plus icon. You can find create a short option. To enable short videos, you need to follow some options. So let's get into the video without getting late. So first of all, open your YouTube either in phone or laptop. If you open your YouTube in phone, make sure that you enable desktop site in Chrome. So after enabling into desktop site, move to your YouTube channel and go for YouTube Studio as I have shown right here. So just click on YouTube Studio. You will be getting your dashboard like this. So this is your dashboard which looks like this, and you can just see the options which are present here. I am just scrolling down, and now here you can find a customization option which I am just zooming here. Just click on customization option. After clicking on customization, you can find a name called featured sections. So this means you need to feature some sections specially, which is also comes under short videos as well. You need to just click on that plus icon which is called add section, and here you can find the fourth option called short videos. So if you just click on that, and another section will be formed right down. I'll be just zooming here, so you can find it here like short videos playlist. It will be separately held out like short videos playlist. So whenever you upload less than 1 minute, you will be automatically saved into this short videos playlist. After clicking on finish, you can find that the changes have been published. So this is how the short videos need to be created after enabling all these options. Until then, you cannot able to create any short videos. If you create also, it doesn't come under short videos. So hope you all understood, right? As you have seen the options that to be enabled, you need to follow the same steps. Just click on plus icon and go for create a short. It is same as TikTok, as here we have seen. We can upload a video or we can just create a video through the camera process. So this is the left side part is for slow and the right side part is for speed mode. So as I'm going to keep it in 3x and I'm just going to do a video. And also we have a timer. So as you all can see, we have set a timer and recording and video. So this is just an reference to show you guys the difference. So just created a video. So as we have set it 3x mode, it is moving on very speed. Yes. So this is the video. If you just click on next, you can just have a dashboard like this. Give the description of your video. It means the title I have just given as a first shot. You can just set your video as private, public, whatever that you want. And if you just click, is it for audience which is not meant for kids or like that? So just set it as no, it is not meant for kids. After setting, just click on upload. You can just see here it is uploading. After that, you can find that the video is uploading. I'm just coming back. It will be shown after uploading the video. So I'm just going to click on plus icon again and I'm going to create a video, but here I'm just going to upload a video rather than creating. You can do this also. So just click on next and give the same title that you wanted to give. I'm giving like my home decoration. And after giving the title, go for description, give your tags or the information that you wanted to give here. So I'm just giving YouTube Shorts as my tag, Shorts as another tag. So give whatever the tags that you wanted to. Okay, after giving the tags and set the video as public or private, whatever that you want. Again, you can also give your location from where you have posted. If you just click on next, select the audience that no, it is not meant for kids. After that, upload. After uploading, it just takes up a couple of seconds. As you have all seen the previous video that I have created a video of shorts have been uploaded right there, and this is the video which is just uploading. So these are the two videos that I have uploaded just now. Okay, this is all like videos which will be displayed in our channel, but for the audience it will be shown as short videos like status. So I'm just opening my YouTube Studio, and you can just see the video which I have uploaded is here. So you can just enable monetization option as well. So in YouTube Studio, go for monetization and click on option for monetization, and click for all ads and click on save. So this is all about monetization enabling also, and also you can give an advanced settings, like you can off your comment box, and you can also off that rating button. So after that, click on save. It will be saved after a few seconds. So it just takes up a couple of seconds. Just yes, it is saved. That's it about YouTube Shorts. Hope you all like this. See you again. Bye bye.